That was a lot of stuff to clean up. I have not cleaned anything for a long time in here. That was a lot to clean up. That took forever. Hey guys, what's up? Got a quick build for you today because I'm super busy right now. Not busy with projects, unfortunately. I'm actually just like busy with other stuff. Like, I've been working with my dad a lot, trying to get a job done, and we're going to be starting a new job this week, and I'm going to be working a lot on that. And we've also got my grandparents in town right now, so I'm trying to spend time with them and not all day, every day on the shopping. I've also got some other projects I'm about to be starting on, and we're about to go on vacation in like a week and a half, I think. So I'm kind of busy right now, and I know none of you actually care at all, really, but it makes me feel much better about myself when I can give really lame excuses for things. So anyway, we're gonna do a quick build today. Quick, what's another word for quick? Lightning? Lightning is fast. Can't get much faster than lightning. That probably was every bit as lame as it felt. So we've got some metal pipe, some 3/4 inch PVC, some 1 inch diameter PVC, a heat gun, a drill, bet you didn't know what that was, and some screws. Can you guess what we're gonna build without me telling you? Well, is it not obvious? It's a PVC training spear. Is it just me, or was that fairly obvious? So why would I tell you how to make this PVC training spear instead of just making a real one? Well, there's a number of reasons. Basically, this is super easy to make, it's very fast to make, it functions like a regular spear, is fairly strong, is lightweight, is good for throwing, is good for practicing with, and for practicing with. Anyone who uses weapons or trains with weapons knows that you don't always use a real weapon, mainly because real weapons are much more easy to damage. With spears and swords or knives or anything with a blade, blades are very easy to damage. They're fragile. Even if they're tempered and heat treated correctly, they're still fragile and you can mess up that edge very, very easily. What you really need, and what people have done for thousands of years, is to make training weapons that are close enough to the real thing to be able to develop your skills effectively, but are not going to be damaged or are easy to replace when you do damage them by training all the time. For instance, wooden swords have been used for a bajillion of centuries. I think this is really cool. It's easy to convert into an actual real weapon. It's super easy to make, and it's very cheap, and it's made of PVC, and I think DNA Productions made one too. This is not based off of his at all. Not at all. Actually, I'm ripping off my brother Zach's idea. This is his idea, not mine, or ZNA Productions. I've not watched his video. I'm not going to watch his video until after I've made this one, because I don't want it to influence my design. The design is super simple. And oh, was that last camera angle rather close to my face? You probably saw my yellow teeth. You've got the section of 3/4 inch PVC, and you've got the pipe. Now the pipe, you're going to flatten the top of it. Obviously it's a pipe. You're going to flatten the end of it down onto itself, which is going to widen it out and make it flat. That's going to be your blade. Then the pipe is going to be inserted into the PVC. You're going to heat the PVC up first with a heat gun so that it slides into it. Then we're going to stick some bolts or screws through to connect the two together. Is that easy or what? I'm going to get more fancy with it, but that's the basic idea. Shiny.
I want to say a few drinks, but not putting a lip. Are you taking a video of this?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a video of me testing the spear.
Are you gonna kill that tree?
I should kill that tree. Looks mean, doesn't he?
Yeah, it has a writing on it.
Really?
Yeah, and you're gonna spear that tree.
You just don't ever stop talking, do you? Oh, there we go.
It's big.
Take it over there. Now let's see what it does to my back stuff. That went in that much. Is that cool, squishy?
That's really cool. I don't do that.
You do it.
Say, oh yeah.
Say it.
What?
We'll say it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh
yeah! Come on. Hey guys, that's how you make a pretty cool PVC training spear. which is now very dirty. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this pretty quick project. I think it is still pretty cool, regardless of being very quick. Hopefully that means that I actually could make a under 10-minute video, which you will by this time know. My guess is probably not. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching till the end. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos by me. Like the video if you like it. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. One of the next projects I'm going to be starting is Captain America's new shield from the new Avengers Infinity War movie. I'm going to be starting that project pretty soon. That's probably going to be the next video you see. If it's not, don't hold me to my word. There's no telling what could change between now and then. It's not going to be the regular shield. It's going to be slightly upgraded, in my personal opinion. So it's going to be a pretty cool project anyway. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Jake out.